bruh, do you see it? Oh my gosh. What, bruh? I need a drink. Hold on. All right.
I ain't worth more than they thought of me. I gotta be the Lord, said I'm worth it all when he paid the whole fee. Put his spirit in my heart so that I can be free. Way be, you will find liberty and have peace every day away. Gotta give thanks, gotta pray. Whatever my hands try to do, I gotta do it great. Go the whole way, gotta stay focused in the pain. Bottle in my face, I don't wanna.
Hey y'all, what is up y'all? It's your girl Nene back with another video or whatever. In today's video, I will be trying Bentonite clay, which is this right here. So I wanted to try this because when I wash my hair, my curls don't pop. I've been natural for like a month now, but every time I wash my hair, if there's no product in it, I can't tell what my curl pattern is. I know her Bentonite clay is the one that gets your curls popping or whatever. This is a old twist out. That's why it looks like I have something going on, but yeah, no. When I wash my hair, no. If it doesn't have product in it, then no. I don't see nothing. So I want to see if I can get my curls popping or whatever. So yeah, so if you have not, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a video. Be part of Nay Gang. We go strong. Be a subby OG, sub love, subby bunch of all that good stuff or whatever. So yeah, so I'm gonna go rinse my hair because you do not want to apply this on dry hair. I'm gonna go rinse out my hair and I will show y'all how to make the mixture of the Bentonite clay. So yeah, without further ado, here's the mixing video. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need is Bentonite clay and then apple cider vinegar. And you cannot use any metal or anything because it will take away from the clay. So right here, I am just going to be opening up the clay using a plastic bowl and a plastic spoon, and the struggle is real to get this clay out. So yeah, so first thing we're going to do is we are going to take 4 hefty scoops, okay, waste no product, and then 2 baby scoops, and then after that we are going to take our apple cider vinegar. This is organic apple cider vinegar with the mother in it, which is the good stuff. And we are just going to start with a little bit and mix that up and mix. Now you do not want this consistency to be too thick, but you don't want to be too thin, but you want to be thin enough. So feel as you desire to make it however you want. So I'm just keep on adding some vinegar to it. Keep on mixing it until I get to the desired consistency. I had mine a little bit on the runnier side, but that's just because that was for me. And now, because this clay is so drying, I took olive oil and added that to it to not make it as drying. You can add any type of oil that you want, no oil, it's all up to you, but I just decided to use olive oil because that's what I had on deck and on hand, and just keep on mixing it. Now I will say that at one point after I got done mixing everything, I still added more vinegar, one to stretch it out, but also to get a more desired consistency because it was still a little too thick. But that's basically how you make your clay, and yeah, let's get to applying it to my hair. So I'm just going to start off in the back of my hair. See, this is what my hair looks like with nothing in it. You really can't see like much of a curl pattern. You can kind of see it, but not really. And I don't know if this is still from like curls from the twist, even though I did rinse my hair like for like maybe like 5 minutes or so. But yeah, so I know this is messy. That's why I have on this shirt. I don't mind getting messed up. Make sure you have towels wherever you are. I have like 2 towels right here. Sorry. Yeah, I have like 2 towels right here. My shoes is over there. I normally wear shoes when I do. Nah, not today. So I'm going to start off with this back section right here. I'm going to take, oh, that's interesting. I'm going to take, all I did was I just applied the clay. At first I start off on big sections, but then you want to just start off in little sections, littler sections, whatever, and just small sections. And I'm kind of doing a fake me out shingle method because my hair wasn't detangled. I'm not sure if you're supposed to have your hair detangled, but to make like easier, make sure your hair is at least somewhat detangled. So I kind of finger detangled as I went along, but I also like kind of shingled to the best of my abilities without getting hair caught up. But yeah, that's all I did throughout my entire head. Now the smell of this is not pleasant. It did not smell good, but it definitely did help. As you can see, you'll see my reaction at the end of the video. But yeah, so all I did was I took each section and subsection did, and yeah, for this first section it was kind of a learning curve because I didn't know what I was doing, but you'll see in the next clip exactly what I did to change it. And like I was shocked, like just seeing everything. I was shocked. So here I added some water because I felt that my hair was like, it had to be wet. Like it didn't say like apply to like soaking wet hair, but after adding water, like the slip on it just made it so much better, and it made it so much easier to apply to my hair. So all you gotta do is just apply your hair in sections and shingle. You don't have to shingle, but I wanted to make sure that every strand of my hair got coated, and this probably took me like maybe like 45 minutes in total, but I was also doing some other stuff too, so but it shouldn't take you that long. It's definitely worth it. But yeah, so all I did was just apply my hair in 4 sections, and I just did that and just shingled throughout my head. So I will let you all enjoy the rest while we listen to some music. And yeah, nay out. One more thing I forgot to mention. One more thing. After I got done everything, I ended up putting my hair in a plastic cap for about 10 minutes, and then 30 minutes I let it get hard, and then I rinsed it out. Some people put a plastic cap on, some people don't, but I did just to let it get a little heated, and then I wanted to dry and get hard like the direction said. So now that's the last thing. So yeah, I'm out. Enjoy the music, y'all. I'm back one more time. Okay, one more time. Last time. You can also use this as a shampoo, so you don't even have to cleanse your hair. You can use this as shampoo because I did use this on my scalp and my hair, and it will get your scalp clean. So you don't have to shampoo or anything, just make the clay, wet your hair, and do it like this. Alright, I know y'all tired of hearing my voice. I'm out, y'all. Do you see? Oh my gosh. What, bruh? I've never, ever, ever seen my hair like this. Like, this is my hair with no product in it. I rinsed out all the clay. Oh my gosh. Yo. I did not even know my hair could do that. Yo. First of all, look at that. Look at the definition that is in here. This is Jesus wrapped up through and through that clay. Through and through the clay. Oh my gosh. Yo, I've never seen my hair like this. And my hair is nice and clean and defined. Oh. Bentonite Clay, you the real MVP. You know, I'm definitely going to be doing a clay mask once a month or once every 2 months because, y'all, I've never seen my hair like this, and this is with no product. No type of product. I normally have to get, my hair is not even like this with product. Oh my gosh, I still have some on my edges, but I'll get that when I get in the shower. Because I still have like a little like right here on my scalp. But besides that, the clay is all out in my hair. I've never seen my hair like this, and this is with no product. I am shook. I am shocked. Shocked. Oh my gosh. Yo, let me do a 360 for y'all so you can get what I'm feeling. See what I'm saying? You see that? You see it? And this is with no product. Oh my. This is worthy of a praise dance, you know, where you just shout to Jesus and be like, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Father. Whew. Yo, this is lit. This is lit. Oh my gosh. I cannot get over how defined my hair is. Y'all see, I still have like, I feel like I still have relaxer in here because I feel like there's still like some straight pieces, but it's whatever. When I go to the Diva salon, they'll fix it for me. But yo, this is my hair with no product. Wow. And y'all saw before where I had like no product in my hair and it didn't look like anything. This actually has some type of curl. Wow. Alright. Let me get my thoughts together, get my composure. You know what? I need a drink. Hold on. Alright, so as you can tell by my reaction, I'm shocked. Everything people have been saying about Bentonite clay is very true. I am a true believer now. Like, the proof is in the poppage. Like, the proof is in the poppage. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and smash that like button. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't, make sure you turn on your post notifications so that way you are notified every single time that I post a video. Please make sure you follow me on social media. Not all of them might be up on the end screen, but they all would be down in the description box below because I do post on there. Trying to be more consistent, but I do post. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you all and I appreciate you all. Bye guys.
Lean, drop a big popper, think I need a surgeon, doctor, fire department. I've been on the streak, no losses, we get sparked, and then I go and leave the surface, join my Martians. Set the timer, seat recliner, but I never ease my mind in perfect time and recommend.